Sweating.
Yes, it is simply a stunning afternoon. You know, I'm the same way. I love the heat, but the past few days, the heat paired with that humidity, it gets to be a little bit much, right? So today we can enjoy the warm temperatures. You can enjoy that sun that's coming through the clouds without the humidity, much drier air. Earlier in this half hour, we talked about how much cooler the dew points were compared to this time yesterday. The temperatures themselves are also down nearly 10 degrees compared to noon yesterday in the Twin Cities and other areas. It's a whole lot cooler. Look at Brainerd, Grand Rapids, even International Falls, Grand Marais, 15 to 20 degrees cooler than where you were yesterday afternoon. So it is a change that you can certainly feel as you step out the door. Right now, 75 in Stillwater. Beautiful shot behind me as always from the Water Street Inn. Dew points in those low 50s, and the winds, you might even be able to hear the trees rustling here in the Care 11 backyard. Those winds are breezy, and they're going to stay that way all the way through our afternoon, potentially not even making it out of the 70s today for our high temperatures. So much cooler. That's the moral of the story. We keep those breezy northwest winds going all the way through this evening and enjoy the break from the humidity while we have it, because it will be back as we get into the weekend. Today, low 80s. That might even be a little bit high at this point. We may not even make it out of the 70s for the Twin Cities, and for surrounding communities, we'll certainly top out in the 70s, even some 60s way up north. Let's talk about winds. They have been breezy today, currently picking up on about 14 miles per hour out of the northwest for the Twin Cities. So that is drier air. We don't have any fire weather alerts in place, but you should still be responsible today and avoid doing any outdoor burning, because you can see as we make our way through the rest of the day, wind gusts, very dry winds out of the northwest, will approach 30 miles per hour at times, and they don't really subside until after midnight tonight. Speaking of which, tonight we are dropping down to near 60 here in the metro. It'll be a little bit warmer in the metro, but for surrounding areas, we're headed down into the upper 40s for places like St. Cloud. So you may even need that light layer tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, very nice, light winds, lower humidity, not as breezy as today, and temperatures near 80. So we have a few more days with these really refreshing dew points, dry air, and then they start to rise again as we get into the weekend. Saturday looks to be the muggiest day, highs in the 90s. It'll likely feel like mid 90s with that humidity factored in. By Sunday, we are hot again, and even through Monday, we keep those highs in the low 90s. But for now, no complaints, Lauren.